Hello and welcome. Today, we have 20 simple A1 level sentences with multiple choice options to help you practice your English grammar. Try to choose the correct answer and test your skills. Let's get started. I. To school every day. Go. Going. To go. I go to school every day. She. A big dog. Have. Has. Having. She has a big dog. We. Happy today. Is. Are. Am. We are happy today. He. A new car. Want. Wants. Wanting. He wants a new car. They. Football on Sundays. Plays. Playing. Play. They play football on Sundays. I love. Books. Read. Reading. To read. I love reading books. She. TV in the evening. Watch. Watches. Watching. She watches TV in the evening. We. Coffee in the morning. Drinks. Drink. Drinking. We drink coffee in the morning. He. In a big house. Live. Living. Lives. He lives in a big house. I. English every day. Study. Studies. Studying. I study English every day. They. Dinner at 7 p.m. Eat. Eats. Eating. They eat dinner at 7 p.m. She. A blue dress today. Wearing. Wears. Wear. She wears a blue dress today. My father. In an office. Work. Works. Working. My father works in an office. We. To the park on Sundays. Goes. Go. Going. We go to the park on Sundays. I. Music in my free time. Listening. Listen. Listens. I listen music in my free time. He. A doctor. Is. Are. Am. He is a doctor. The cat. On the chair. Sleeps. Sleep. Sleeping. The cat sleeps on the chair. They. To the supermarket now. Going. Goes. Are going. They are going to the supermarket now. She. Her homework every evening. Do. Does. Doing. She does her homework every evening. We. At a restaurant tonight. Eating. Eat. Are eating. We are eating at a restaurant tonight. Great job! I hope this helped you practice your English. Let me know how many answers you got right in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more English learning videos. See you next time.